Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to remove these wristbands from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, I highly recommend to turn off your watch so you don't accidentally click something wrong on your screen. To turn them off, we swipe down to open the control panel and click on this power button right here. And click on it again. After this, you can see the Samsung logo and feel the vibration, which signals that the watch is turned off. Now to the wristbands. So, to remove these two wristbands, we need to turn our watch, and right here you can see these two silver parts, which are the controllers. So, to remove the wristbands, you would need to move this controller to the center of the watch. I will use this pin to help myself a little bit. And like this, you can easily remove the wristband. Now on the second side. And that's all. Unfortunately, I don't have any extra wristbands, so I can change them, so I will just simply put these two back on. To be honest, the process putting these wristbands on is slightly harder than taking them off, but we still can do it. Let me show you how. Firstly, make sure that this silver controller is on the left side. If not, put it back there. After this, put this down part size on the down part of your watches, like this. And move the controller again to the center of your watch. And slowly put it on a place. And then really slowly move it until you'll hear a click. Like this, and then you can check if the wristband is fixed like it should be. Now to the second side. And that's all. Now you know how to remove and put back the wristbands on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.